Hello everyone. Let me formally introduce you myself. I am Bilal Paracha. I'm 22 years old and I have a tutoring experience of 5 plus years in teaching mathematics and English. Furthermore, my educational background, I have completed my bachelor's from Lahore School of Economics in Lahore, Pakistan with a major of marketing and data. And I have been tutoring this mathematics and English part on my own and from the institutions as well. So the first institution I worked with Princeton Tutorials at USA for like approximately 1.5 years, and here in Pakistan, Greenhall Academy, and in many other institutions as well, which includes Prep Vista locally. Okay, now so the major part is that my teaching methodology is what will help you in regarding of the perspective and how I'm going to proceed with the student. So let me teach you one chapter which is of system of equations so that you will have a better idea of my teaching methodology. Okay, so starting off system of equations, there are three major system of equations type of. So the one is one solution, we have no solution, and we have infinite solution. Okay, okay, so let me take, since this system of equations is related with the chapter of lines, so the major basic equation of line is y is equals to mx plus c. Here m is slope and c here is the y intercept. Okay, now what is y intercept and how can we find it? So the y intercept is basically a point lie on the y-axis, like this one, not this one exactly, I think that one will work. Okay, so exactly on the y-axis. So here x is 0. So let for system of equations we will take, like for instance, two equations. Let me have two equations: 3x plus 5y is equals to 10, and second one we will take as 6x plus 2y is equals to 15, I think. Okay, now what we are going to do is to understand how can we identify whether the system of equations have infinite solution, one solution, or no solution. Okay, so remember here I informed you that the slope is m. So if you want to convert this slope into this slope, since this slope is, this equation is in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, and the slope directly is minus a by b of this equation, and basically the y-intercept here is c by b. Okay, so from this part, from the first equation, we know that 3x plus 5y is 10. So here the slope would be minus 3 by 5. Okay, so minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, and here you got minus 6 divided by 2. Since minus a by b, this is a, this is a, this is b, and this is b. Okay, for your reference. So here we got minus 3. Now you see the both slopes are different. So this means the system of equation have one solution or one value of x and one value of y. Okay, now moving towards the no solution. No solution includes the these two equations have the same slope. If they have the same slope, this means they, and first one is same slope, and the second condition is they have different y-intercept. Okay, so if these two conditions meet, this means they have no solutions. Okay, furthermore, introducing the infinite solution. So infinite solution have same slope and same y-intercept. So if we have the same slope, same y-intercept, infinite solutions. If we had same slope and different y-intercept, we have no solution. And if we have different slope, we have one solution. Now let me inform you in the graphic condition. Okay, so this is the graph of one solution. Okay, I'm writing this one. So for instance, this is this one and this is this one. Here you got the one solution or one intersecting point, you can say that. The second one is this graph of no solution. Remember, no solution graph would always be parallel. Okay, they will never meet at either it's infinity. Okay, so we have no solution since the both have the same slope. Okay, so they have same slope and different y-intercept. So this infinite solution, for instance, this is the infinite solution. Here we have a single line. Okay, forget about the line basically. So this is a single line, and there's also a different points on the line. So this is referred to infinite solution, majorly the line over a line. Okay, so there is one more line over a line and so on. This is the with the same slope and with the y intercept. They have same coordinates, they have same xy planes and the same values as well. So this is how we identify them as the infinite solution, no solution, and one solution. Okay, now let me inform you about my teaching methodology, since how I proceed with the student. So first I will going to explain him the whole topic, give him the perfect understanding, and then I am going to personally solve multiple topic related practice questions with him or her, so that he or she will have a better understanding on how to approach the question and how to solve the question with precision and accuracy. Now, let me inform you, since we are talking about this part, this mathematics and this English part. So, students face many difficulties, okay, and which they have to really work on. And the first one is time management, okay. So, the, either students can solve the particular problem, let's say this problem, system of equations, or any other topic like quadratics and lines and of parabolas and different. Okay, they can solve a problem, however they face the time management issue. They are solving the problem in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, but with the right guidance and with the perfect scenario. Okay, 3 to 2 minutes for mcqs. Okay, so with the right guidance and with the perfect scenario, with the perfect understanding, you can solve the question with precision and accuracy and quickly as well. Okay, so right guidance is always needed in order to proceed and to get the good score. Now let me talk about the GCSEs and OA levels. So OA levels grading is from A star to E, and GCSEs is from 1 to 9 grading, and they have the syllabus difference as well, since of all the subjects, since this is a national curriculum and the other one is the Oxford of different curriculum. So there is a difference of syllabus as well, but the grading matter, as I inform you, is also different. But with the right guidance, since I have the experience, I have been working with many different institutions, I have been working with different types of students, different background of students, so I know how to understand the student needs and get into their desired results. Okay, so hope you will understand this concept and like my video, and I will be looking forward to working with you. Thank you.